how to add or set up a VPN configuration on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, swipe up to go down and tap on General. In General, you go down and tap on VPN and Device Management. In here, tap on VPN. Now I have already connected to a VPN connection. So what I can do is I can delete this VPN and start again. Okay, in here, tap on Add VPN Configuration. And then in the type, select a type of VPN connection that you would like to use. So for example, in here I can choose IPsec, L2TP, or IKEV2. So I'm going to select L2TP. Now this information will depend on which VPN server that you are connecting to. So you need to find a VPN server that you want to connect to, and then select a VPN type. In here, put in a description. And then I'm going to put in the server name. So this information can be acquired if you search online for a free VPN server, or if you have a paid VPN, those information will be given you by the provider. Then put in the account name. So the account name will be VPN for me, VPN, and the secret key is VPN. And then tap on Done. So now you can go down here and make any other changes if you want to use the proxy in here as well. I'm going to tap on the Done button to finish off. And when you want to connect to a VPN server, just tap on the Connect button at the top here. And if you tap on the Status button, it will try to attempt to connect to that VPN. Once it is connected, it will show VPN here at the top. And if you swipe down to show the status bar, then you can see here, it will show VPN right next to the Wi-Fi icon. And that's it. So that is how you can set up and configure a VPN connections and how you can connect to the VPN server. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.